More!
Yeah, split off. This is $2 grand right here. That's how far $2 grand goes. This. You gotta be happy. Oh shit, that kind of surprised me.
Woo!
Oh my god. This is getting crazier and crazier. Dan, you set these up perfect. Yeah. These are amazing.
Come on.
Eric, just think we were lighting these off in the backyard the other night. Yeah!
Woo!
That was a good night.
Those empty beer cans. Yeah, that's fun games. Fun games right there being lit.
Yeah.
Matt, fun games.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Woo! Ow.
Do you want any of this, Chrissy? What'd you say? What? Because I squeezed it?
Oh, I love that one. I love that one too. I think I love that one.
Hell yeah.
Hey, Matt, not my best shot.
Oh yeah. Oh shit! Oh shit!
I am not going over there.
Yeah, we caught the forest on fire. Hey, this one's way over there.
I was like, after I saw all that shit happen, I was just like, shit. I grabbed beers and I was watching the boys, baby.
What happened? Why'd you grab beer?
To put out the fire. I don't drink beer, I don't care. Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
That was good.
I got that on camera. I'm still fucking recording.
Good job. Hey, big bump and
Let's hope it goes straight up in the air.